of the quadratic equation. Find the roots of the quadratic equation. Find the roots of quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0 by completing square method. By completing square method. By completing square method. By completing square method. This is in Karnataka government textbook, page number 36. Page number 36 and exercise number 10.3. And problem number 1. Problem 1. Okay. Now, solution by algorithm method, we have to find out solution. You write the given equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. You write the given equation, you write it in the standard form. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. And compare this with the standard equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now, you write values of a and therefore a equal to the 2 and b equal to x plus b equal to minus 7 and c equal to 3. C equal to 3. Now, you divide the whole equation by a. Look here. The a equal to what is here? 2. And divide this by dividing by 2. Dividing by 2 means dividing by a means 2x square. No necessary to write. For your information, I am writing 2x square divided by 2 minus 7x divided by 2. You transfer this minus plus to the other side and divide. Look here. This is equal to minus 3 upon 2. How it is minus 3 upon 2? I transfer this to the other side and divide by 2. Look here, getting cancelled. And add 1 upon 2 into coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is how much here? 7 upon 2 bracket square. Now you simplify this, minus 7 upon 2 into 2, 4 it is, and 4 bracket square. And this should be added in LHS. And RHS simplified form. Then minus 7 square is 49. And 4 square is 16. And this should be added to the RHS. And this should be added to the LHS. Now, therefore, it becomes x square minus 7 upon 2x and plus minus 7 upon 4 bracket square. And in the RHS, 49 upon 16, and already minus 3 upon 2 is there, minus 3 upon 2. Then simplify this. 16 is LCM because 2 is a factor of 16. 16 is LCM. 16 upon 16, 1. 1 into 49, 49. Look here. 16 upon 2, 8. This is 8 here. And 8 into 3, 24 here. And this is 49 minus 24, 25. And divided by 16. Simplify the RHS. And now LHS you can write as A plus B or A minus B bracket square. Means x, look here, minus 7 upon 4. Suppose even if you left the minus there with the x coefficient and this sign you take. And look here, both are same. 7 upon 4 bracket square equal to 25 upon 60. And now this is a positive quantity. 25 upon 16 is positive quantity. And you get the roots. Suppose if it is a negative, the answer is no roots, no real roots. If this RHS quantity is a negative, answer is no roots. But it is a positive, you get a roots. And now, taking the square root, look here. Taking the square root, what happens? Taking the square root, this square and root getting cancelled. Okay. Now, this becomes what? X minus 7 upon 4 equal to, take the root for the RHS. This is equal to plus or minus root of 25 by 60. And simplify this, plus or minus 5, root of 25 is 5. And divided by root of 16 is 4. Look here. X minus 7 upon 4, say I will take it here. Can I take it here? Now, see, this is therefore x minus 7 upon 4 equal to plus or minus 5 by 4. And x value we want, you transfer minus 7 upon 4 other side. And therefore, x equal to 7 upon 4. One is a positive, another one is negative. Plus 5 upon 4. And simplify this. 4 is LCM. 7 plus 5, 12 it is. 12. And 4 into 1 ja, 4 into 3 ja. And therefore, x equal to 3 is one root. Or another one, x equal to 7 upon 4 plus 5 upon 4 we have taken. Now you take minus 5 upon 4. And this is equal to 4 is LCM. 7 minus 5, 2 it is. And 2 into 1 ja, 2 into 2 ja. And this is 1 upon 2. One root is 3, other root is 1 upon 2. Therefore, you write the answer as, therefore, roots are one root is x equal to 3 and x equal to 1 upon 2. These are the two roots of quadratic equation. In this way, you have to do it. See here, this is a final and put it in a box. See, these are the two roots of quadratic equation. In this way only you have to do the problems. Please look here. I told you in earlier class algorithm. Once again, revise them and remember them. First step, write the equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And second step, transfer the constant term to the RHS, divide whole equation by a. Third step, add coefficient of half coefficient of x bracket square on both sides. Add them. And last step, write the LHS as a plus b or a minus b bracket square.